On number 30, Milwaukee AIR Tip Dust Collector. Have you ever drilled into a wall and suddenly watched dust fall everywhere like indoor snowfall? That's exactly the problem the Milwaukee AIR Tip Dust Collector is designed to solve. This clever attachment sticks directly to the wall while you drill and pulls dust straight into the vacuum system. Instead of debris flying into the air, the tool captures it instantly. Your workspace stays cleaner, and you don't end up breathing in dust while working. I know it's a small accessory, but it turns one of the messiest tasks in construction into something surprisingly clean. Number 29. Milwaukee Vibratory Screed. Working with concrete can feel like a full-body workout. The Milwaukee Vibratory Screed removes much of that strain by using powerful vibration to smooth and level concrete quickly. Powered by Milwaukee's MX fuel system, it delivers strong performance without the noise and fumes of gas machines. The push-button start makes operations simple. Morna and the cordless system means no tangled cords on the job site. The result is faster pours, smoother finishes, and far less physical effort. Number 28. Milwaukee Carry-On Power Supply. Many job sites still rely on noisy gas generators to power tools. The Milwaukee Carry-On Power Supply offers a cleaner alternative. This portable unit delivers serious power while producing zero emissions and far less noise. With strong wattage output, it can run multiple tools at the same time. The rugged roll cage also protects it in rough environments. For indoor work or tight job sites, this power station can replace traditional generators and make the entire workspace more manageable. Number 27. Milwaukee Low-Speed Tire Buffer. Repairing tires usually means dragging out compressors and hoses. The Milwaukee Low-Speed Tire Buffer simplifies that process by offering a completely cordless solution. It provides the power needed for tire preparation and repair while remaining compact and easy to control. Multiple drive modes allow better control depending on the repair job. For mechanics and automotive technicians, it turns a messy process into a faster and more organized workflow. Number 26. Milwaukee Surveyor's Safety Vest. Keeping tools organized on a busy job site can be surprisingly difficult. The Milwaukee Surveyor Safety Vest solves that by combining safety gear with practical storage. With dozens of reinforced pockets, it allows workers to carry tools, tablets, notebooks, and accessories all at once. The breathable fabric helps keep you cool during long workdays, while the reflective material improves visibility. Instead of constantly reaching for tool belts or bags, everything stays within easy reach. Number 25. Milwaukee Lockbolt Tool. Uninstalling lock bolts traditionally requires bulky air systems. The Milwaukee Lockbolt tool eliminates that need by delivering powerful cordless performance. Designed for industrial fastening jobs, it can install hundreds of lock bolts on a single battery. The lightweight design also makes it easier to handle during long tasks. For workers dealing with structural fasteners, it dramatically speeds up installation while removing the hassle of hoses and compressors. Number 24. Milwaukee Hardline Knives. Every job site needs a dependable cutting tool. The Milwaukee Hardline knife is built with durability in mind. Its strong steel blade maintains sharpness even after heavy use, while the sturdy frame lock keeps the blade secure during tough cuts. The quick deploy flipper makes opening the knife smooth and fast. It's the kind of tool that quickly becomes part of your everyday carry because it handles so many different tasks. So number 23. Milwaukee 165mm Pipe Stand. Handling heavy pipes during installation can be awkward and frustrating. The Milwaukee Pipe Stand helps stabilize materials while you work. Its folding design makes transport easy, but once opened, it provides strong support for pipes, channels, and other construction materials. Interchangeable jaws and removable shelves add flexibility depending on the job. Instead of wrestling with unstable materials, the stand keeps everything steady and safer to work with. Number 22. Milwaukee N95 Valved Respirators. Dust and particles are unavoidable in many workshops. Milwaukee's N95 valved respirators are designed to make breathing easier in dusty environments. The built-in valve reduces heat buildup while filtering harmful particles. Adjustable straps and a flexible nose bridge help create a comfortable seal. Whether sanding wood, cutting drywall, or grinding metal, The Respirator keeps air cleaner and makes long work sessions far more comfortable. Number 21. Milwaukee Brushless 2-inch Planer. Planing wood by hand takes patience and strength. The Milwaukee Brushless Planer speeds up the process dramatically. With high blade speed and adjustable depth settings, it removes material smoothly and evenly. Dual chip ports allow debris to exit from either side, keeping the work area cleaner. The tool is compact but powerful, making it especially useful for trimming doors, shaping edges, and fine woodworking tasks. Number 20. Milwaukee Safety Glasses. Eye protection is essential, but uncomfortable glasses often get ignored. Milwaukee safety glasses are designed for all-day wear. The anti-fog lenses maintain clear vision even in warm environments, while the lightweight frame stays comfortable during long jobs. Scratch-resistant coating also improves durability. Instead of constantly adjusting or removing them, my workers can focus on the task while keeping their eyes protected. Number 19. Milwaukee Pipeline Locator. Finding underground pipes or sewer cameras can sometimes feel like guesswork. The Milwaukee Pipeline Locator removes that uncertainty. Using directional guidance and antenna technology, it helps pinpoint the exact location of pipelines. A clear display provides real-time information during navigation. For plumbing and inspection work, it dramatically reduces the time spent searching for underground lines. Number 18. Milwaukee Bolt Head Protection System. Hard hats usually offer protection but little functionality. The Milwaukee Bolt Head Protection System changes that by allowing multiple accessories to attach directly to the helmet. Lights, face shields, and other gear can be added without replacing the helmet. The modular system adapts to different job requirements quickly. This flexibility keeps workers safer while improving productivity. Number 17. Milwaukee Sewer Drum Machine. Clearing clogged drains is rarely an enjoyable task. The Milwaukee Sewer Drum Machine helps make the process faster and more efficient. Powered by the M18 system, it drives a long cable through pipes to break up blockages. The removable drum simplifies cleaning afterward. Instead of struggling with manual tools, the machine provides strong and controlled clearing power. Number 16. Milwaukee Heavy-Duty Flex Work Pants. Comfort can make a big difference during long workdays. Milwaukee Heavy-Duty Flex Work Pants combine durable fabric with stretch panels that allow better movement. Reinforced areas protect against wear in high-stress zones. Multiple pockets also provide convenient storage for tools and accessories. The result is workwear that feels flexible but still tough enough for demanding environments. Number 15. Milwaukee Mounting Fan. Fully allowing you to direct air exactly where needed. Magnets, clamps, and mounting holes provide multiple installation options. With long battery runtime, it can keep a workspace cooler for hours. Number 14. Milwaukee Dust Trap Drilling Shroud. Drilling overhead often leaves workers covered in dust. The Milwaukee Dust Trap Shroud captures debris right at the source. Its clear design keeps the drill bit visible, while the collapsible structure improves portability. It works with many SDS Plus tools and helps meet job site dust regulations. For professionals who drill frequently, it makes a noticeable difference in cleanliness. Number 13. Milwaukee Ultimate Job Site Backpack. Transporting tools across a large job site can be tiring. The Milwaukee Job Site Backpack solves that by combining storage with comfort. Its heavy-duty construction protects tools, while the padded harness distributes weight evenly. Dozens of pockets keep tools organized. Instead of carrying multiple cases, workers can keep essential gear in one rugged bag. Number 12. Milwaukee Rover Service Floodlight. Good lighting can completely change how you work. The Milwaukee Rover Floodlight delivers bright illumination while remaining portable. The adjustable head allows precise positioning, and strong magnets allow mounting on metal surfaces. Long battery runtime ensures the light lasts throughout the workday. For repair tasks or night work, reliable lighting is invaluable. Number 11. Milwaukee Threaded Rod Cutter. Cutting threaded rods manually often leaves rough edges. The Milwaukee Threaded Rod Cutter solves that with clean, burr-free cuts. Its cordless system makes repetitive cutting much faster. An automatic jaw opening also speeds up the workflow. For electricians and installers, This tool can save significant time. Number 10. Milwaukee Variable Speed Nibbler. Cutting sheet metal can be tricky with traditional tools. The Milwaukee Variable Speed Nibbler allows precise cuts through metal while maintaining smooth edges. The ergonomic design and adjustable speed improve control. It's especially useful for ventilation work, duct installation, and other metal fabrication tasks. Or number 9, must-cert. Milwaukee Force Logic Hydraulic Pump. High-pressure hydraulic work usually requires heavy gas equipment. The Milwaukee Force Logic Hydraulic Pump delivers similar performance in a cordless design. It offers powerful pressure output while remaining portable. Multiple operating modes allow better control depending on the task. For professionals dealing with hydraulic systems, this tool improves both efficiency and mobility. Number 8. Milwaukee Inkzall Jobsite Markers. Marking materials clearly is essential for accurate cuts. Milwaukee Inkzall markers are designed to write through dusty, wet, or oily surfaces. The quick dry ink prevents smearing, while the durable tip resists clogging. A hard hat clip keeps the marker easily accessible. It's a small tool, but it plays an important role in maintaining accuracy on busy job sites. Number 7. Milwaukee Tick Tool Tracker. Tools disappearing on job sites can be a costly problem. The Milwaukee Tick Tracker helps solve that by attaching to equipment and allowing location tracking through the one-key system. The rugged design protects it from weather and impacts. With years of battery life, it helps keep valuable tools from getting lost. Number 6. Milwaukee PACKOUT Mounting Plate. Organizing tools efficiently can make a huge difference in productivity. The Milwaukee PACKOUT Mounting Plate allows tools and storage units to lock securely into place. Built from impact-resistant materials, it holds significant weight while remaining compact. The system is modular, meaning you can customize your storage layout. For professionals who move between job sites, it keeps equipment organized and secure. And that wraps up our look at some of the most interesting Milwaukee tools you can find on Amazon in 2026. From smart accessories to powerful cordless machines, these tools are designed to make work faster, cleaner, and more efficient. If any of these tools caught your attention, you'll find the links in the description below. And if you enjoy discovering new tools like these, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.